What's up everyone? I have another pool maintenance video for you. Today I'm going to show you how to clean out the pump filter. Notice the flow here? It's very slow. That should be shooting out. This is how you know if you need to clean out your filter. It's time to do it. So this should be coming up pretty darn fast and it's really not flowing like it should be. You can see even like this air bubble here that's in this hose, it's just flowing real slow, so this filter is clogged up. Now if you have a skimmer filter that sits on the side here, it might be a little bit different procedure. You just need to take it out and open up the skimmer basket, clean out the filter. I'm going to show you how to do it here with the Intex filter that basically comes with this pool. Now I've got a couple of things that this pool came with. These little rubber stoppers. There's your intake, so these things unscrew and these go over the top of it so that way your water doesn't come spilling out like crazy out the top of this when we unscrew the top. So I'll just get right into it. First thing you gotta do is turn off your pump. Alright, pump is off. And this is how you save money without having to replace your filter every couple of weeks. It says it's recommended to change it every 2 weeks. I like to stretch it out about every month, so, I think it's almost time to do it because it's not filtering real good and I really need to vacuum the bottom of this pool. Let's go get the hose. While I'm out here turning the hose on, take a look at these roses. My wife, Mrs. DIY Mama, she got these for Mother's Day 2 years ago. It came in this little tiny 4-inch pot that we picked up for her, and this just exploded. Those roses are looking great. Anyway, back on topic. Gonna need to flush out this filter, so turn on your hose and you want to hook up a sprayer, which I've got right there. Unscrew that. Remember that little black hat looking thing? That just slips over just like that, it sits real loose. It just prevents the water from flowing out when you're doing this. If you do it fast enough, you don't even need to use those. Okay, now we unscrew to open this up. I can't do this one-handed. Okay, I loosened it up. Water's gonna come out, don't be alarmed. Like I said, if you do this fast enough, then you won't have to actually block that off. Just pull the filter out, you can see how bad it is there. Screw that back on. Yeah, all that water started flowing out. That's what happens if you don't put those little black hats on the plug. That one fell off on me, so that's why it was flowing like crazy. So I got a little bit of a spill, but I was able to screw this back on fast enough that it wasn't an issue. Here's the dirty filter. Probably about due for replacement, but we're gonna rinse it out. This is just a great way to prolong the life of the filter just for a couple extra weeks before you have to replace it again. It'll save you some money. See all that gunk coming out of there? And this is the equivalent of like backwashing the filter. Look at all that yellow nasty junk coming out. Ugh. That looks great. That was inside your pool. Good thing we have a filter. I like to stand it up like that and shoot from the inside. Just really get that all cleaned out. If you got 2 hands available, you can kind of spread this open a little bit and shoot the water inside there. Just give it a good rinse. That's all there is to it. And we replaced the filter. And our flow rate should be up significantly from what it was before. Alright, I plugged up that hole again. Notice the water doesn't come flying out, so that's what should happen when you open up the filter. Or the filter housing, I should say. Go ahead and replace that. Tighten it down. Open this up. This is like an air relief valve, just to bleed off the system. So when you remove these, the water will start flowing again. See how water starts coming out and bubbling up? That just bleeds the system of air. Tighten it back down. Pull the other plug. And we'll hit the power. Now look at that flow. That's what it should be like. It was just trickling before. Now we got some pressure. So if you have reduced flow rate from your pump and it's not filtering properly, you're going to get a dirty pool much quicker. So you got to do this when you start noticing the flow rate go down, which probably happens like every 4 or 5 days depending on the size of the pool, how often you run your pump. I'm running about 4 hours a day, and you know, I did this about 3 or 4 days ago, so as the filter gets near the end of its life, you're going to have to do this a bit more frequently, like every 2 days or so. So just keep that in mind. When the filter's new, it goes a lot longer. So that's how you replace a filter and backwash a filter in a pool. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos in the future, if you got any questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching.